Hello again, boys and girls. This is Mr. Bedley, and we are doing 4th grade Excel lesson number 6. We're learning about number series in this lesson, and these number series are going to count either by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10. Not too difficult. I think this one should be pretty easy for you. All right, let's take a look at our first number series. We've got the numbers 86, 76, 66, 56. Can you notice that as I'm saying those numbers to you, they sound a lot alike? It's almost like they're rhyming. 86, 76, 66, 56. Well, the first number in the tens place, the number in the tens place here, is the only one that's changing. The number in the ones place is staying as a 6 every single time. So really what's happening is the tens are going 8, 7, 6, 5, and so the answer would be 46 because below 5 is 4, 46. Well, what's actually happening here? The numbers are going down by 10. They're going down by 10 on each one, subtracting 10 from each number to get to the next number. Because 56 minus 10 is 46. That's the correct answer. All right, let's do number 2 together. Here we go. We've got 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. That should probably sound a little familiar to you, what we're counting by. If you're not sure what is happening, there's 2 ways you can deal with this. You can either count like using your fingers, go from 65 to 70. Make sure you don't start on the 65 though. Count after the 65 because one more than 65 is 66. So try this with your fingers. I'm putting my fingers up here one at a time and I'm going 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. I'm counting 5 fingers there to go from 65 to 70. So it's going up because 65 to 70 is up. It's going up by 5. Another way to solve this is to do a subtraction problem. So here I have 85, here I have 80. Doesn't matter, you can take any 2 numbers that are next to each other. Just make sure you put the big number on the top. 85 minus 80, 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. You can see it's changing by 5 every time. Now on this one, we are going up by 5 each time to go to the next number, but to get to this first number, we're going the opposite direction, so we have to go down 5. So 65 minus 5 is 60. All right, so that's 5 less than 65. So the answer for that blank is 60. All right, why don't you pause the video and try number 3 here, and then turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. All right, so I moved it up there a little bit. Here we go. We got number 3. You should have already done that. 67, 65, 63, 61. 2 ways to figure out what the pattern is changing by. You can count on your fingers, and in this case we are counting down, right? Because 67, 65, these numbers are getting lower. They're going down. And I can count on my fingers by going 66, 65. I just put out 2 fingers, so it's going down by 2. The other way I can do that is write a 65 under here and subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 take away 6 is nothing. It's going down by 2. And yes, we are still going down as we go from the 61. Well, what's 2 less than 61? I can count on my fingers and go 60, 59, or I can do 61 minus 2. And I have to regroup here. That's 5. 11 minus 2 is 9. And 5 take away nothing is 5. So 59 would be the next number. Okay, why don't you pause the video? I think these are probably getting pretty easy for you. And do numbers 4, 5, and 6. If you're stuck, you could always watch me do, like you could try number 4, and then watch me do number 4 and check to make sure you're doing it right, and then pause the video again and go on to 5 and 6. But go ahead and do 4, 5, and 6 right now. All right, so you should have already done number 4 before you're watching me. And first of all, I noticed 52, 56, 60, 64, those are going up. The numbers are getting bigger. I can count on my fingers, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Let me just show you little fingers as I'm counting. This is a finger going up, 53, 54, 55, 56. So it's going up by 4. Another way to do that is to do 64 minus 60, or just take any 2 numbers in order, and that's equal to 4. So since these are going up this direction, in this other direction they're going down. So I have to do 52 minus 4. I regroup from the 5 and make it a 4. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. And 4 take away nothing is 4. 48. All right, here we go with number 5. You should have already tried this on your own. We got 36, 37, 38, 39. That's going up by 1, obviously. And so the next number would be 40. This one has 48, 45, 42, 39. As you can see, the numbers are getting smaller as they go, so that means they're going down. And what are they going down by? I'm going to use my virtual fingers here to count. We got, starting at 48, I count away from 48, 47, 46, 45. So that's going down by 3. Another way to do that is to do 48 minus 45, and that gives us 3. Okay, so since they're going down in this direction, we have to go up in that direction. So I have to go 48 plus 3. You can add those together, or you can use your virtual fingers and count 40, or you can use your real fingers, 49, 50, 51, and put a 51 there, and then count up by 3 again, 52, 53, 54, 54. And those are the answers. So erase and change anything that you have wrong. I would like you to do the basic math, basic fact practice next. Do all those on your own as fast as you can, and then turn the video back on and check your answers. All right, so I just put them on here all at once for you. There are the answers. Pause the video, check your work, erase and change any wrong answers, and thanks for watching.